What's up, y'all? I am excited. I'm like a kid in a candy store. A kid at Christmas. A groom before his honeymoon. That's how excited I am. I'm excited today because my Sporlan Smart Service Toolkit came in today. It's here. It's finally here. A groom before his honeymoon. That's how excited I am. Let's open it up and see what we got. Here it is. First thing you notice when you get it, you hold it, you realize what kind of case it actually comes in. How sturdy it is. It actually comes in a genuine Pelican case. They did a pretty good job at picking the case. If the case is any indication of what's inside the box, I think everybody will be happy with it. So anyway, so that's the case. Nice and sturdy. Some say that you can throw that out in the ocean and it'll float, but I ain't getting close to the ocean. As you see, when you open the box, you have a set of instructions. Read it, record it, and send it. Kind of just like other instructions. From step 1 all the way to step 8, there's your instructions. Comes with 8 batteries. You got your 4 for the tools, and you got your other 4 for extras. Now, here's the part that everybody's been wanting to know about. How good are the clamps and the sensors? So let's start with the high pressure temperature probe. As you see, you have the bottom jaw is metal there, and the top jaw, same thing. But your top is your temperature sensor. And if you look right there, you can see that. Right there, that's your wire from your temperature sensor back to the sensor back here. So that's that one. Here's your low side pressure sensor. Got 300 psi on your low side. Your little on and off switch right there, or your LED right there, and then your battery, where your battery goes. Gasket right there. So these things are really well made. I mean, that thing's heavy. So anyway, same thing with the high side sensor, only it is 700 psi. You know, got your aluminum base and same thing. And the low side temperature probe, same thing as the high side. And of course, over here, you have your fittings, 2 of them. Alright, so let's put some batteries in this. See how we can, I got my batteries cut open already. So negative goes down, positive goes up. Snaps in place, just like so. Put your lid back on it. Same thing with the pressure sensors. Snap in place, like so. Snap in place like so. Do the low side temperature probe, the temperature sensor. Get the battery picked up here. Load it up. Alright, so that's that. Let's get our iPad out and see if we can figure this thing out. Alright, so I got my iPad there. So my iPad is up. Alright, let's find the app. There it is right there. Alright, so let's turn the first temperature probe on. There's your little button right there. Alright, so it's lit. I'm going to turn them all on first, and then we'll mess with the app. So it's lit. See? Same thing. Lit. Same thing. Button for the temperature sensor. Right there. Right there. So it's lit. They're all on. Alright, so let's look at the app here. So let's connect our sensors now. There's our low side pressure sensor. So let's push that one. It connected automatically. Look at that. I didn't have to do anything. And that's this probe right here. Let's do the temperature sensor. Hit the Bluetooth thing there. Automatic connect. Look at that. Let's move over to the high side. There that goes. Same thing with the temperature. Look at that. Pretty cool, man. Alright, let's go to settings right here. If you don't want it to auto connect, there's actually a setting right here. You just switch it over. So that way it won't, when you turn that on, it won't do it. But I couldn't imagine you not wanting to do auto connect. And of course you got pressures and bar, Fahrenheit and Celsius, kind of self-explanatory. Okay, so that takes you out of the settings. Then you have now you have your little Bluetooth signal thing. You see all of our sensors here, so we can disconnect all through the app and everything's gone. Go back to the Bluetooth thing there and let's connect all. I like it. And then of course, you know, switch it over to analog. There you go. Back to digital. So if we wanted to record it, we just hit the record button and then type a name. Okay. So it's recording now. Let's stop it. And if we wanted to, we could email it. And there you go. Let's just do it. Alright, so we'll send it. And that's it. I'll go over to the computer and see if that thing came through my email. Alright, so that is the Sporlan Smart Service Tool. Let's go ahead and turn everything off. And this is our low side temperature sensor. Go ahead and push the button. Pay attention right here. Alright, so it's done dropped out. Same thing with the high side temperature sensor. Watch it right there. Dropped out. Alright, so this is the high side pressure sensor. Watch the high side. dropped out. Now the low side. That's it. Simple as that. Easy tool to use. I just got it today. I didn't get a chance to use it. It's still kind of cool outside, or it is kind of cool outside. But tomorrow I am moving 3 air conditioners, so I'll definitely do a video tomorrow about it. So that's it. Put everything back in the case. You know, go ahead and separate the batteries, because I don't need them in that big pack anymore. I hadn't quite figured out exactly what I'm going to do with my for when I need to charge. I guess I'll get a couple of little small hoses, and we'll fix it up. Use my shredder cord remover for sure. So that's it. I know everybody's been wondering what kind of quality tool this was going to be, and to me, they did a really good job on this thing. Really good job. When I'm out doing the units tomorrow, doing the video, we'll check the connectivity and see how long we can stay connected. And you know what, honestly, if I don't stay connected that far, I really don't care. I just don't. So I bought this thing for the wireless feature, and I got it. I'm wireless. I like being wireless. Alright, well, that was the Sporlan Smart Service Toolkit. There you saw it. Tomorrow I'm going to be moving 3 units, so I'll be able to use it then. We'll check out the connectivity of the thing, see how far we can stay connected. And honestly, if we don't stay connected, I don't really care. I honestly don't. I bought the thing because I'm tired of wires, and as you saw, that's all wireless, and that's why I bought it. So I like it. Hell, I might buy another one just for the hell of it, just to have in case this one breaks. Anyway, it's a great tool. Time to go home.